Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. You can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, we are taking a look at Alpha Genesis. It's an expert advisor developed for MetaTrader 5. Unlike many EAs that focus on a single trading instrument, Alpha Genesis is designed to work across multiple markets, including XAU USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, and other Forex pairs supported by your broker. All right, so let us start by looking at what the developer highlights on the MQL5 marketplace page before discussing the trading approach. First of all, this EA is just available for rent, going for 40 US dollars per month. And according to the developer, Alpha Genesis is built around a structured, rule-based strategy that combines price action analysis, candle wick behavior, and market structure to identify trading opportunities. Rather than opening trades continuously, the EA waits until all of its predefined conditions are satisfied before placing pending orders. All right. The system is designed to automate the entire trading process. Once attached to a supported chart and auto trading is enabled, it continuously monitors the market, places pending orders when qualifying setups appear, and manages positions using predefined stop loss and take profit levels. Okay, so one feature that stands out is the default 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. On gold, the default configuration uses a 5,000 point stop loss and 15,000 point take profit, while forex pairs are forex pairs use proportionally smaller values. Of course, these settings are fully configurable, allowing traders to adjust them accordingly to their own risk tolerance and broker specifications. All right, so the developer recommends using the EA primarily on H4 and D1. All right, the 4-hour and daily time frames with a minimum deposit of $3,000, leverage of 1 to 100 or higher, and preferably on a low spread account running on a VPS, for uninterrupted operation. Now, let us talk about the strategy itself. Unlike scalping systems that look for dozens of entries throughout the day, Alpha Genesis appears to take a more selective approach by combining candle wick analysis with broader market structure and price action confirmation. The EA waits for specific market conditions before placing pending orders. Okay, this means it is designed to trade less frequently but potentially focus on higher quality setups. Now, another positive aspect is the emphasis on predefined risk management. Every trade is protected with both a stop loss and take profit, and the developer makes no mention of greed, martingale, or recovery systems being used to increase position sizes after losses. So instead, the focus appears to be on maintaining consistent execution through fixed trading rules. As always, the real test of any automated strategy comes from its, performance. All right. Now, let's just briefly head over to our strategy tester. When reviewing the strategy tester report, some of the first metrics worth paying attention to are the profit factor, the maximum drawdown, the recovery factor, and the overall number of completed trades. Okay. Together, these statistics help paint a much clearer picture than profits alone. Now, this test was conducted on a $10,000 deposit, and the total net profit generated was $1,060.83. I conducted the test on XAU USD on the H4 time frame, and it was over the past about 6.5 months from the beginning of this year, basically 1st January 2026 till date. All right, and I use the every tick modeling. Okay, now talking about the profit factor, it tells us that the EA generated significantly more gross profit, whether it tells us whether the EA generated significant more gross profits or not. Okay, so a profit factor of 1.5 for now is just showing us that the difference between the gross profit and the gross loss was not so much, right? Significantly, so, the gross profit was basically around 1.5x of the gross loss, thereabouts. Okay, and then while the recovery factor indicates how effectively it was able to recover after periods of drawdown. At the same time, evaluating the maximum drawdown helps determine whether the returns were achieved with a level of risk that aligns with your own trading objectives. From here, we can see that the balance drawdown was 3.27%, while the equity drawdown was 3.65%. So it's actually okay. Yeah, the drawdown doesn't seem to be so much, right? And the difference between the balance drawdown and the equity drawdown is not so wide. So that means that there was no sharp drawdown that occurred in terms of floating loss. Okay, and then it's also worth considering how many trades the EA executed during testing. A strategy that produces consistent results over hundreds of trades generally provides more confidence than one based on only a small number of winning positions. In this case, I can see that the total trades generated was 68, out of which 30 were profitable. That gave us a 44.12% win rate. All right. And the average profit was $101. Average loss was $51.82. So the average risk to reward ratio is just very close to 1:2, which is okay. All right. Now, overall, Alpha Genesis presents itself as a structured multi-market expert advisor that emphasizes disciplined trade selection, price action analysis, and predefined risk management. The combination of pending order execution, configurable parameters, and a fixed risk to reward ratio framework may appeal to traders looking for a systematic approach to automated trading. As always, remember that even well designed strategies cannot guarantee future results. Before live trading, it is always a good idea to run your own forward tests on a demo account, verify performance under your broker's trading conditions, and ensure the EA matches your personal risk tolerance. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.